Hi, let's do some French knots today. This is a French knot. You can make small French knots or larger French knots. Okay, let me just show you one small French knot. Let's bring the needle to the front. Alright, coil the needle with the thread 2 rounds. The bigger the knot, the more the rounds you have to go coil around. Okay, so let's do this again. So coil 2 times, 1, 2. Holding it on the other hand firmly, bring this needle back to the same hole. Okay, to the same hole and go back in. Alright, do not hold too tightly, otherwise you have problem going through the cloth. Now this is a French knot. Okay, you can coil around 3 times, 4 times. Let's see how it looks like if we coil around 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold it on the other hand. Go back into the same hole. Okay, hold the thread firmly but not too tightly. Make sure that these threads are touching the cloth, otherwise you have a very loose knot. Okay, so let's go. So this is 3 rounds. See, it's just slightly larger. Let's see if we were to do one that is probably 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now go back down to the same hole. Hold this. Let's push it down. See, that is a bigger one. And here you can see French knots. Okay, making pistils of flower. All these are little French knots.